Car number 2 for today, 2020 BMW 330i. Just one headlight. Kind of weird. I've never done just one headlight before. But I've sanded this one, and I'm going to lay down the clear coat just like in the Genesis. I'm actually going to do another car after this one. On mine are slightly faded. This customer actually, he didn't do a bad job. It looks like he might have used some sort of 2K clear or maybe 1K or maybe clear spray paint for headlights, but it wasn't bad. It's just a little blurry, and probably the prep is where the mistakes were made. You got to scrape off all the prior gunk, get down as much of that UV coating off as possible. Which ultimately, when you sand a headlight, you're removing any remaining UV coating. So whatever you're putting on that headlight, if you're not putting new UV coating, like a substantial amount, it better be really thick and really durable, because in order to withstand years, it's going to have to be that way. So I'm glad I'm going this route with the 2K clear. It's just way better. This headlight came out really, really well. Now it matches the driver's side much better. There's no peeling, and that blurred effect is gone.